Transform your outdoor space, lawn makeover and landscaping ideas. Are you tired of looking at your dull, lifeless lawn? Feeling inspired to transform your outdoor space into something remarkable? Look no further. In this post, we'll share lawn makeover and landscaping ideas that will turn your yard into an oasis of relaxation and your neighbor's green with envy. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or a budding gardener, these tips and tricks will be useful in creating the picture-perfect lawn you've always dreamed of. Assess the state of your lawn. Before diving into any landscaping project, it's important to evaluate the current state of your lawn. Look for any problem areas, such as bare or dead patches, weeds, or poor drainage. These issues should be addressed before moving forward with any makeover plans. Consider consulting with a professional landscaper to help you identify the root of any problems and come up with a tailored action plan for your lawn. Choose the right plants and flowers. Choosing the right plants and flowers for your lawn is crucial in achieving the perfect landscaping aesthetic. The key is to select plants that thrive in your local climate, as well as complement the style of your home and other landscaping elements. Be mindful of height, color, and blooming season when selecting plants to achieve a cohesive and balanced look. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of plants, from ornamental grasses to colorful flower beds, to add texture and visual interest to your lawn. Create focal points. One of the most effective ways to give your lawn a makeover is by creating focal points that draw the eye and add a touch of drama to your landscape. Focal points can be a combination of structures, plantings, or other landscaping elements, such as water features, statues, or even a stunning tree. When designing a focal point, keep in mind scale, proportion, and unity to ensure it becomes an integral part of your overall landscape design. 4. Incorporate pathways and walkways. Paths and walkways serve multiple purposes in your lawn makeover. They provide functionality while adding an aesthetic touch. They can be used to guide visitors through your garden, connect different areas of your yard, or simply provide a comfortable spot to stroll and enjoy the outdoors. Opt for materials that complement the style of your home and landscape, such as brick, stone, or even gravel. You can also consider incorporating curves and gentle bends for a more natural and inviting feel. 5. Pay attention to lighting. Landscape lighting can do wonders in transforming your outdoor space from ordinary to extraordinary. The right lighting can accentuate the best features of your garden, create ambiance and depth, and enhance the overall aesthetic appeal of your yard. Consider a combination of fixtures, such as accent lights for highlighting specific plants or features, path lights for guiding movement through the space, and ambient lights for general illumination. Don't forget to choose energy-efficient options, such as solar or LED lighting, to keep your utility bills in check and reduce your carbon footprint. A lawn makeover may seem daunting at first, but with a bit of creativity, planning, and dedication, you can turn your yard into an outdoor paradise. By addressing issues like weeds and dead patches, carefully selecting plants and flowers, creating focal points, incorporating paths and walkways, and investing in landscape lighting, you can usher in a new chapter for your outdoor space. Now is the perfect time to unleash your inner landscaper and give your lawn the attention and transformation it deserves. Happy gardening! Thanks for watching.